Okay, this is where me and Vernon come down and go swimming. We're at the camp. Okay, Vernon brings me down here, and I can walk him on here. This used to be an old dock here. And then I go swimming out here. And as you can see, I got a big bundle of rope I use. I tie it onto that. And that's what we do. And we just came down, and we're going for a swim. Well, he won't swim. Where's he at? Somewhere here. Vernon won't swim. And he's got a bell. And if I clap and make enough noise, he'll get excited and let me know right where he's at. See? Okay. I have to change it to the other side so it can ring better. Or where I thought he's on.
Viewfinder. Focus on lock. Image.
This is where we're at. How pretty it is. It's been raining for a couple days. It's been cold, but the water feels like a bathtub. I can't believe how warm it feels. It's crazy. Okay. All right, ready. Let's go swimming.
Zoom. Stop recording.